Do you want to know the benefits of apple cider for women? There are several benefits of apple cider that women actually could gain out of it. If you really want to know them, stay with me, stay tuned and learn a lot about it. Israel once again from Injibs Cosmetics, hoping that you stay tuned to my beauty tips today. We're going to see the benefits of apple cider vinegar. What are the benefits of apple cider vinegar? Are you struggling with your hair? Are you struggling with your skin? Are you struggling with the allergies and finding out what exactly could help you? Now you've come to the right place. What are the benefits of apple cider vinegar? Apple cider vinegar for women can be very useful. Can be very useful when it comes to your health. Useful when it comes to your skin, useful when it comes to your teeth, useful when it comes to everything, that every part of your body, coming to hair, going to nails, and all that kind of stuff, feet, and all of that kind of issues. So what are the first benefits, the best benefits for apple cider vinegar? Apple cider vinegar is very good for hair, number one. Hair is very important on a woman's part of the body. In a woman's life, hair is basically her crown. Her crown has everything to do with her beauty and her self-esteem and her confidence and all that kind of stuff. Therefore, when a woman's part of the head is a mess, the face that we usually call the passport, and then the hair that we usually call the crown, then there is something wrong. The whole outfit will fall apart when the head is not taken care of when it comes to women. So what does apple cider do to hair? Apple cider is a very good conditioner. It's a very good leave-in conditioner. The other conditioner, the other tips that I can give you besides apple cider vinegar are using natural stuff that we'll explain in my other videos. But then for now, let's focus on apple cider vinegar on hair. Apple cider vinegar is a very good conditioner. For those looking for natural remedies to grow their hair, and you really don't want to use the artificial conditioners, all the conditioners, the commercial ones that have the chemicals and built-in chemicals. Maybe conditioner leaves dandruff in your head. Maybe it leaves you with a dry scalp and it gives you all that kind of issues, and it causes buildups on your hair, and you get flakes and all that kind of stuff. So apple cider is the right way to go. So many people, I usually tell people, give people tips and the natural things actually that could actually be beneficial to your hair and skin and nails is right in your kitchen. Just jump into your kitchen and pick up the right ingredients that I have in my tips. So the apple cider vinegar is very excellent for hair. You should try it once, and then before you use it, I usually advise to use as shampoo. As shampoo, use baking soda. Baking soda is very good shampoo, though it doesn't have foam, since it's not an artificial soap. It's a natural cleanser, hair cleanser. So basically, if you want to get good results out of apple cider vinegar, then it's better you use baking soda or bicarbonate of soda. Bicarbonate of soda. Use bicarbonate, so some call it soda bicarb. So use that as shampoo. How do you use it as shampoo? Take mix a glass of water with 2 tablespoons of bicarbonate of soda. Throw them in, stir it, throw it in a spray bottle, and then if you can, then spray all over your hair, all over your scalp, and then after that, massage it gently all over, massage all over, massage it, and then after massaging for about 5 to 10 minutes, take your time, spray more, massage, take your time, rub out the dirt, and then go and rinse out with cold water. Do not use warm water, use cold water. Warm water is not good. Hot water is not really good for hair. It strips the hair out. Therefore, it's much better. I usually advise women to use cold water. Use cold water. If you're really forced to use hot water on your hair or scalp, then usually finish with cold water. Because what cold water does, remember, hot water opens the shaft opens the shaft of the hair, right? And then exposes all kinds of toxins and all kinds of sun rays and all that into the hair shaft. So hot water opens the shaft. And then after you open the shaft, you wash your hair. If you really need to use hot water, close the shaft with cold water. Cold water closes the shaft. It's just like the skin, right? If you put hot water on your skin or your face, one thing you should avoid is to put hot water on your face. Never wash your face with hot water. Hot water is bad news. Hot water will sag your face, will give you bags, will give you bags under your eyes, and will give you wrinkles, and you don't want to use hot water on your face. So what cold water does, it closes the pores on the skin. It tightens. So where the pores were exposed and opened and all that kind of stuff, cold water closes up, tightens up the pores and closes them up. So usually finish your hair with cold water. And then as condition, after you've shampooed your hair with bicarbonate of soda, finish your hair. As a conditioner, use apple cider vinegar. Take a glass of water, mix in, always make sure a portion of water, a quarter of it is apple cider vinegar. A portion of water, a quarter of that portion of water, then it's apple cider vinegar. Then never go half. Just go the full glass of water, cold water, and then a quarter glass of apple cider vinegar, and then rinse your hair with it. Rinse your hair with apple cider. What does apple cider vinegar do to hair? It tightens, closes and tightens the exposed scalp pores. It closes back the shaft. It gives back, restores shine. It restores hair shine. Therefore, then the hair looks shiny and it looks glossy and it looks more natural and live. It doesn't leave hair dry. Next thing is it removes dandruff. Apple cider vinegar gets rid of dandruff. Third thing is apple cider vinegar removes all of the fungi and all the bacteria on your scalp. And then the fourth is apple cider vinegar grows hair very fast. Apple cider vinegar comes from apples. It comes from apples. It's squeezed from apples. It's like apple juice. Then it's fermented and all that kind of stuff. Like getting wine out of apples. That whole process. I don't know exactly what they do. But apple cider vinegar comes from apples. It's squeezed from apples. Therefore, it's very natural. Don't use the other vinegar. The spirit vinegar, brown and clear spirit. Apple cider vinegar is the right for health benefits. So therefore, that's one thing that apple cider vinegar do. That's the number one benefit for apple cider vinegar for women. Number two is apple cider vinegar is very good for acne. Acne. If you're struggling with acne, you get you've got problems, you've got pimples leave you with scars behind and all that kind of stuff. Struggling with acne, so you're scratching, you've got skin allergies and all that kind of stuff. All skin issues. Take apple cider vinegar, dilute it again, three parts of water, 1 part of water and three quarter. What is that again? Full of water and then just a quarter of vinegar. So it could be a spoon and then a quarter spoon. So that's it. So therefore, dip a piece of. So after you mix it, take a piece of cotton. Take a cotton ball, dip in. First, wash your face. Wash your face as usual as you always wash your face. Cleanse it nicely, clean it properly, and then what you do, take that piece of cloth, take that piece of cotton, dip it in there, and then rub it around your skin, rub it over your skin. Do that at least twice a day. Do it at least twice a day. Leave it on, don't rinse it off. Leave it on overnight, and then in the morning, rinse off with clean water. If you really have a very allergic, so try first before you apply it all over your face. Try it somewhere. Do a test on your arm somewhere, and then see exactly what it does. See what it does and see if it causes any reaction. Then make sure that you go slow on it. Don't straight away put it on your face. So skin is the number 2 thing that apple cider does to a woman, on a woman's skin. Number 3, what apple cider does, apple cider benefit for women is weight loss. Apple cider vinegar has a way of cutting fat. In one of my videos, I explained that drinking water in the morning, early in the morning. If you drop apple cider vinegar in that water early in the morning, it has a way of cleansing. If you've got lemon also, drop in a slice of lemon in that water. It has a way of cleansing you, cleansing every kind of dirt that is clogged into your inside your system. So I usually advise, take it also before you go to bed at night. At night before you go to bed. If you got honey, I got a video that I explained drinking water with honey before bedtime. Then if you can go check out that video in my playlist, you'll learn how to take warm water mixed with honey. So if you use that hot water with honey, which helps actually to cleanse and it gives you a good metabolism and gives you energy, make sure you mix in just a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar will work in the night. It will work in the night to make sure that you burn fat. Remember, people usually burn fat when they go to bed. When you sleep is when you burn fat. When you go to bed is when the liver and kidney and all the organs start working, because you're resting. Therefore, you need to give these organs, fuel them, give them the right equipments to use, fuel them, give them the right oil them, feed them, and give them what they need to use. Give them, fuel them. People usually go to bed without even taking care. They take care of their own stomach, but then you forget to take care of the liver that keeps working throughout the night. The liver and the kidney and all the other organs. What do they use at night? They don't use that food you get. What do they use? What do they feed on? Liver feeds liver. One thing that oils and fuels liver very well is honey. Raw honey fuels the liver. If you're going to bed and you want to live a happy and healthy life, make sure you mix the teaspoon in warm water. Raw honey, not syrups, not processed honey, not heated honey. Raw honey. Take a teaspoon, throw it in warm water before you go to bed. That's what fuels the liver. What fuels the pancreas? Pancreas is that green piece of thing that works with the immunity. It's very good with the immunity. Pancreas and the immunity, they are friends, they are cousins like this. So what feeds the pancreas is the bitter leaves and bitter any taste that is bitter. Bitter leaves, bitter herbs, bitter, anything that is bitter, aloe vera, all that bitter stuff. That's why it's very, very important and vital to take bitter stuff every now and then. Eat that bitter stuff. That bitter stuff will cleanse you and supply the pancreas. Make sure you stay tuned, and Israel once again with Injibs Cosmetics, hoping that you stay tuned to my beauty tips today.